How to disable Facebook two-factor authentication without logging in. If you're logged out of your Facebook account due to two-factor authentication, here's how you can try to recover access. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for Facebook Help and click on the first official result. Once on the page, tap the search icon and search for two-factor authentication. Scroll down and look for Get a security code to log in using two-factor authentication. Tap on the link that says, if you're unable to receive your security code, learn more about how to troubleshoot login with two-factor authentication. On that page, scroll until you find the section for people who no longer have access to their phone or authentication method. Tap on I don't have my phone. Select contacts and follow the on-screen instruction. This will allow you to send a request to Facebook support to recover your account.